Hey everybody, how you doing? My name is Dewey. Welcome to DM Foods 365. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do some pork ribs smoked, and then we have some tri-tip, aged tri-tip here. We're going to smoke it, and we have some picanha that's been aged and tri-tip that's been aged. So we're going to pepper everything down, add the seasonings, and then smoke it outside of the smoker and show you guys how it's going to taste a little bit later on. So here we go, guys. Right back real quick, guys. We got the tri-tip here, and all I'm going to do is just salt and pepper it, season it up, and then smoke it, one of them, and then we'll be good to go. We got some salt and pepper, like I said here. This is dry, or not dry aged, but aged koji tri-tips, especially really good, really popular with the friends. Last time we made this and we came back into demand. So we're just doing it again for everybody to try it up. And we got the wifey making another dish. She's gonna be doing Dalga, yeah, so that's chicken porridge, guys, for you guys that don't speak Vietnamese. This is coarse salt that I'm using as well, just so that it doesn't soak into the meat. Fresh cracked pepper. Crack the pepper on there. Get it all around. Run it all over that piece of meat. So we're waiting for the charcoal right now. As soon as it cools down a little bit, we're going to check into the smoker right over here. Once the smoker starts smoking a little bit, we're going to chuck all the meat in there. Hopefully we'll get the temperature to about 165-ish is a good temperature. Anything below 200 is where I want to smoke at. Smoke meat for about 2 hours. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to DM Foods. So we got Chef Tim in the house today, drinking out some beer, got some food going on. He's going to be prepping up some hamachi and pepperfin, and I think it's pepperfin and black and white, so he can give you a little bit more details on that.
So basically we use albacore belly, thinly slice it with some jalapeno. Do next, spread a little bit of garlic, ground garlic on the fish. This way you'll get the garlic flavor to it. Spread a little bit of olive oil. Olive oils. This way you'll get that olive flavor. So I'm gonna light it up on fire. Torch it up, get it nicely seared. Looking good. A little ponzu, pepperfin sauce. Alright. We'll top it off with a black tobacco. Flying fish roll, if you don't know.
And this is called the black and white, right?
It's called the black and white. White fish, black eggs, hence the black and white name.
This is Man here. He's going to be helping us, one of the founding guys at DM Foods here, and we're going to be cooking up tri-tip, koji, picanha, koji, and then this is smoked ribs. We're going to try all that food first, and then we'll go to the smoke gun later and see how that tastes. So we got a Kyotani butane torch. I think it's real good. I love using it. It's really easy and really good for torching. It's pretty inexpensive too. I think it's like $20 or $30 on Amazon. So, you know, we're good from there. But we're torching both sides. Mun's torching up the tri-tip, getting a real good, nice sear on it. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. These are the pork ribs. He's gonna cut them up and dice them. And then we got the picanha, and he's gonna cut that all up. Oh, I forgot to show you. This is the Brazilian rice right here. Ooh, that's hot. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Cheers, bud. Hey, go for it.
How long was the egg on this?
And you know what to do if it's good. How is it?
Obviously, it's not
Flavor there?
He didn't say it.
I didn't say it.
He didn't say it.
I know. Yeah. There we go.
Yep, try this one.
Cheese is really good.
It's very,
got the beef flavor to it. It's all there. Oh. You don't want me feeding it.
camera shot.
You mean
Yeah, they do it off camera.
If it hits a million view, oh man. This is Mr. Carl Bloom.
Oh, Annie. Talking about Annie.
Oh, this one's Annie.
The guy, not the girl.
Oh, the guy. Say hi, Annie. Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Howdy. How'd it go? This is Mr. Kenny from Furniture 916.
Oh my God, you're Kenny. Oh, South Park Kenny.
No, these two curry, that's a picanha. That's a quarter of something.
That was your Kevin?
Món đậu không? Món đậu không?
It's not mine. No. It's good. Yeah. Oh.
So this, compared to regular smoke, it's the same. In the sense that instead of smoking a regular smoker, just get a smoke gun that we got over there, smoke it after you sear it, and you're good to go. About 10 minutes, you're good. Shit's bomb. We'll see y'all in a minute. It's still kicking it. Goodbye, goodbye. And we'll see you in the next video. Check it out, y'all.